Tiny tots, tiny tots.
In a world full of magic, where kindness is the key, there are special words we use, they set our spirits free. When you need a little favor, or someone helps you through, there's a magic word to say, and that word is please. Magic words, magic words, they make our world so bright. Please and thank you, sorry, excuse me, they make everything alright. Magic words, magic words, let's use them every day. Spread a little kindness in everything we say. When someone gives you something, or does something so kind, don't forget to use thank you, it's the word that's always right. If you make a little mistake, and you want to make it right, just say I'm sorry, it's a word that shines so bright. When you need to pass by, and you don't want to push or shove, excuse me is the magic word, it shows respect and love. In a world full of magic, these words will lead the way. So let's all use our magic words each and every day. So remember these magic words and use them as you grow. They'll make your world a better place, more than you could ever know.